guys. So as you can probably see, I got a little new addition to my front end. I went with the Devsport splitter. I've been looking into splitters for a little bit now. I had a few choices that I could have went with. Mainly, yeah, a few, but I was looking at the Devsport and the Top One motors, most in particular. And I simply went with the Devsport. One, because they have the support winglets, which I really liked, because it looks really aggressive, one, but it's actually functional. They hold up the splitter really well, and without it, my buddy didn't rock them for a little bit, and he was on the highway, and his thing like shattered, so rest in peace to Javi.
Yeah, we'll check this out.
And another thing I like about them is they got the two-piece winglets with the Top One motors. It is just a one-piece splitter, so I do like that. That way, I don't think I'm ever gonna take off the winglets, but if I ever wanted to, I could. So that's pretty cool. And another thing I like about it is the quality. The quality is great. It's CNC made. It's aluminum in the middle. I'm not sure like what type, and I believe on the outsides it's like a hard carbon fiber type material. So it's really durable. I don't have a scratch on it yet, not a crack, and I'm relatively low. I'm not too low, but I haven't had any scrapes or cracks yet on it, so it's definitely doing good. And one thing that I didn't really like about it too much, or like something that I would change, is it didn't come with the pre-drilled holes. So what I had to do was I had two sawhorses. It's like stuff that you paint on. I took off my front bumper. I put the splitter on the two sawhorses, and I put the front bumper on top of the splitter. And then I had to drill holes through the splitter, through my HFP lip, through the bumper, and luckily I had one of my buddies to help me out. Thank God, because I don't think I would have been able to do that alone. So if you do plan on doing that, I would say get an extra set of hands. That way someone can hold it for you while you drill it, because or else you're gonna probably have a little rough time. So all those holes that you guys see, I put those in. These right here for the winglets, they're in. And if you go underneath, you can probably see them. Yeah, see, I had 10 of these, 10 bolts along. So it is held in really good. I took my time with it. It took me in a total probably 6 hours, I'd say. But that includes taking off the bumper, setting it up, putting the bumper back on, whatever. Another thing that the splitter comes with is this little protective strip that you put on the front of your the splitter. That way it prevents it from scratching or cracking. And all these little things that it comes with, they really just put it together, and it's really quality. So I definitely would recommend this splitter to anyone who is looking into a splitter for their 8th gens. I can't say much about the Top One motor splitter. I've never owned one. I have seen them. I've seen them on 8th gens. I do think these are more aggressive looking. And in terms of pricing, guys, it is a fairly good price. The splitter itself, which I'm talking about just a splitter, no winglets, no support rods, that itself with the hardware is $115 before shipping. The winglets are $35 for the set. The support rods are $35 for the set too, so that's $70 between those two. Add them on, you get $185. So after shipping, it was like $200, and honestly, you get what you pay for, guys, and probably even more. Like, honestly, I'm extremely satisfied with my purchase. If I had to buy another one, if I ever got, say, another 8th gen, I would definitely go with the Devsport. And if you guys do think about going with the splitter and the Devsport splitter, or any splitter, honestly, I would definitely pick up a front lip. I love the way the HFP lip looks with it, but you guys can go with, it should fit with most lips. I would do a little more research on that, because I'm not completely sure, but it fits perfect with the HFP lip, guys. So if you're thinking about doing that, I would definitely pick that up. So definitely would recommend the Devsport splitter, guys. It is a good pickup. It's very aggressive looking, so 100% would recommend it. It's worth the money, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the review. If there's anything else you want to know about it or anything about the build, feel free to comment down below. Feel free to hit me up on Instagram at @whitefA5. I'm always down to answer some questions. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next. Peace out, guys.